And now it is time to do something I find quite strangely satisfying. Don't know why I like this quite so much, but I do. Children's art brushes, really good. How about that? Let's get in the thick of it. Don't want to get any crap actually on the camera. Let's remove the coolant. It does look like blood. The little piggies. Right, and let's get back to kerosene.
Oh, that's a good shot. Right then, little piggies.
There's no need to remove this. This is the kickstart switch. Sorry, side stand switch. Sorry, and this is the switch that prevents you from putting the bike. Well, it stalls the engine as soon as you put the bike into gear when the side stand is down. Now, I'm going to put, this is, out of all my videos that you watch, this is the only thing that you remember. Just put the screws back where they came from. That would be the most important. Just put the screws back where you came from. Can't put the other screws back because they need to be out for it to be cleaned. But yeah, as far as possible, whenever possible, put the screws back in the holes that they came from. This is the song I have played on my birthday. Whew, right. There you go. Useful afternoon's work. Not immaculate, far from it, but a heck of a lot cleaner. And I kind of like it. I just enjoy doing it. I know it's boring to watch. Yeah, I get that. No, I wouldn't want to watch. Literally like watching paint dry. There's more stuff to come off it, but it's the chain case. There's all the crap. There it is, all down there. I've got a couple of bits and bobs that I'm going to put back on. I've took the chain off because I don't need that. It was basically just old and rubbish. So I'll put the sprocket back on, I'll put the side stand back on, and not call it a day because there's lots to do, but I'll move on to somewhere else. There you go, there's a lot of gunk there. But it's a job you can do in an evening. It's not unpleasant, I don't think, anyway. I like it. Right.